Okay, we came for what we wanted for. Heavy snowfall. Sunlight and everything. But the snowfall came too fast. Snowfall came too heavy. The trails are closed for time being. We just want to hike up to the center. I don't know. Go up there and see how. Mother Nature given exactly what we wanted for. The snowfall was so heavy. Roads are closed and we have to walk up. Let's see how it goes, but no complaint. Snowing as what we have wished for. 下雪了，感觉好不好？ We have the 𝐾𝐍𝐵𝐻 TV coming to video us. This bunch of crazy people coming walking up the road after a snowstorm in Hallasan.
지만 걸어서라도 눈 내린 한라산을 보기 위한 발걸음도 이어졌습니다. 등반로를 통한 입산은 통제됐지만 멀리서라도 눈에 담기 위해서입니다.
We heard that Mount Hana is very beautiful. So even though the road is closed, because due to the heavy snow, we still want to walk up the road to view the beautiful scenery of Mount Hana's south.
한라산 사지리 동산에는 20cm가 넘는
After a 5-click walking on the snow, we reached this is supposed to be our start point for today's hike, but as you can see, it's very cloudy up there. That's why the trail is closed. The visibility must be quite bad, and everything is frozen here, including my hand now. But it's so beautiful here. On the way, we are interviewed by a 3 TV station. Grace, no, go. Okay, you're not flying. Okay, you can get up already. What they doing? What they're doing? Is that a snowman? A bit. Yeah. You should buy more and sell here.
Set up a store here.
No! Don't do it! 1, 2, 3! From the Hallasan snowfall, we get to the mighty roaring wave whacking the shore of Jeju Island. It feels like a movie setting. Some mega warship of Thanos is going to appear suddenly over the sea horizon. Watch it, watch it. Wait for it.